Welcome to Beehiiv. In this video, I will show you how to try the Beehiiv Newsletter for free. If you want to sign up for Beehiiv for free, then click the link in the description below. Once you are on the homepage, click on the Get Started button. You will have to provide your personal details here. Your first name, last name, add your email, and add a strong password here to secure your Beehiiv account. Click on Get Started button. Then check your Gmail account. It will send you an email to confirm your email address. Click here to verify your email address. Select your experience here. Click on Continue. Now, it will show your newsletter name and also provide you with a subdomain name that you can edit. You can also add up to 3 tags here to personalize your publications. Click on the blank image here to upload an image from your computer. Then click on Continue. Now here, click on that Start Free Trial button, and you will successfully sign up for Beehiiv. Thanks for watching our video.